Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creator Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. Today, I am part of the Talented Creators collaboration. As hosts, we have DIY with Audia and Lolly Disc Creations. As guest hosts, we have Happiness Created. And as co-hosts, we have Mobile Trades DIY. The links to their channels and the playlist will be in the description box. For the first DIY, we will need a wooden crate, a wooden ring, a round bead, square dowels, some round dowels, greenery, and other optional materials that I will show you later in the video. We will start by creating the wheel of the wheelbarrow. First, I will center the bead in the wooden ring, then find the measurement for the spikes so we can cut the dowels accordingly. As you can see, I am in my garage. I made some markings on the dowels and I will cut the spikes for the wheel using this miter saw. As shown here, I will secure the dowel and then cut it to size. I will cut a total of 8 spikes. Next, I will cut the square dowel at an angle. This step is optional. I decided to create the larger wheelbarrow as well. So using crazy glue for wood, I will attach all the pieces to form the wheel. The center of the large wheel is a small thread spool, and the center of the small wheel is just a round wooden bead. I will adjust the pieces as needed to fit them into the wooden rings. Next, I will make some holes in the handles, then glue them to the wheel using tacky glue and let it dry. I will repeat the process for the smaller wheel. Since the small wheelbarrow doesn't need brackets, I will glue the wooden crate directly on the handles and let it dry. This wheelbarrow is taking shape. Next, I will attach the legs using tacky glue. The height of the legs is the same as half of the wheel. To embellish the wheelbarrow, I will use these wooden cutouts. I will use one piece on each side and trim one for the front. Next, I will paint the cutouts red, as you can see here. The large wheelbarrow needs brackets, so I will attach two using some tacky glue and let it dry. Now that these pieces are dry, I will glue them to the crate. Hey friends, thank you for your support. It means a lot to me and encourages me to continue creating more. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as more great DIYs are coming soon. Next, I will attach the legs to the large wheelbarrow. I lost some footage, so I hope you can follow along. I made some grooves on the handles to attach the metal basket using E6000 glue. Now, I will move to the last DIY. For this project, you will need 3 crates, 2 wooden rings and circles for the wheels. I like this design on the crates. We will need some square dowels and other optional materials. Here's the plan for the garden cart if you want to recreate this piece. All crates are different, so measure your pieces before cutting. I will start working on the middle crate. I will attach the legs using tacky glue and let it dry. Now, I will move on and glue the wooden rings and circles to form the wheels. Next, I will glue the middle and lower crates and let them dry for a few hours. I will use a tube from this balloon kit to make the wheels move. You will see more in a moment. Now that the wheels are dry, I will find the center and make a marking. It is time to attach the third crate and let it dry for a while. Using my X-Acto knife, I will cut the tube to the length of one of the crates and attach it using E6000 glue. Next, I will attach some half beads in the center of each wheel. I will attach the axle to one of the wheels using some tacky glue. Now, I will put the axle through the tube and attach the other wheel. This will make the wheels move. Next, I will glue the legs to the cart, as you can see here. For the handles, I will use some round dowels and knobs, but first I will paint them black. It is time to attach the rest of the wooden pieces to reinforce the cart's frame. This step is optional. I will paint the frame black along with the wheels. I will glue the handles and let the piece dry. After I painted the cart, I protected it with Mod Podge. Because I don't want anything to come out of the holes in the crates, I will glue some pieces of fabric. Here is the final reveal. Let me know what you think of these projects and which one was your favorite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share so I can continue creating. See you in the next one.